Don't see Alkaline there, Jamaica. Who you see do video with Alkaline? Say I'm DJ. And in a shirt with Alkaline name and everything done. Brief boss.
So Elephant Man, you push down your cameraman and then you say him broke, he can't sew you. So me wanna know, look how much way you get for do overseas. Why you choose to push down a cameraman in a Jamaica? Why you never push down a cameraman overseas and tell them say him can't sew you?
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Cameraman, move! You can't sew me, you push the wall, you. You see it? Anything sweet you? When so are your ass.
Alkaline show Friday night, yes. Was a huge success. When that, I think there was other artists on the show, but nobody talks about them. Like
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Hey, Alkaline a real champion boy, you know. The ramp with him. You see Alkaline? The ramp with Alkaline, man. A real champion boy. That. Hey, you not see Alkaline I deal with the show them from what day? Yo.
You don't know what you with truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
I think that about represent fully.
So I go and you don't know one Media Fox pan app. People no must say no man. Media Fox I go hard with the video them man. How I go on? I tell them already. Them not see nothing yet. And that me I tell you one Media Fox pan app. Change with they have to change the game. You see it? Yeah man people, so look at now. Foota hype run out, you know. Cause man has to reload some file with cartel, but I don't know. Alkaline getting into the conversation. But I don't know people. From where they it's like from Vice Cartel fall from prison. Alkaline. Yo, people don't realize that song they were Alkaline make. The man say, yo, them call him name like every day and him call him name not one day. Sometimes I wonder. I see man a look on posters where Vice Cartel depend with him show. And then end of the video, the man bring in Alkaline. I don't know how. I don't know them people here. Yo, something I feel like I don't know. I feel like a Alkaline of them artists, but them just not want to say it. Like genuinely. Yeah man, so look, I'm going to go in that video people. Foot type I go tell you what I go on.
Up Alkaline name for man. Every time I go somewhere with the reason you just me have to touch that topic, you know. Brief boss. Remember I tell you say the man from jail, right? Him say you have to suck out your mother and don't try and get the number feed, right? You want me to prove to you say I chew me at that? And then just chat me a chat because I love chat. You don't see Alkaline there Jamaica. Who you see do video with Alkaline? Say I'm DJ. And in a shirt with Alkaline name and everything done. Brief boss. Pick sense out of nonsense.
So I go on, you know say back in the days Cartel sing song, yo, Ray from Vaga, Ray's Spanish tone. You sing some song. But you don't know Vaga, you know, the Alkaline, you know, him do Fleek. And some other is a song, I think. You understand? True Royal. You see me? So that song there make him have money. You see me? Him buy him BMW, have him house, everything, man. Live after that one song there. Fleek. You understand? So him always show Alkaline that respect there. Where every time the man go on Alkaline show, it no matter where show there, him a reach. Can remember say, look here, Alkaline. See? Alkaline make me there and make money. You understand? He make me there have my house and my car. You see it? So everywhere him go, him always do a shirt with Alkaline on it. You understand? Vendetta. So the man always say, yo, Alkaline are my artist. Cause him make me there and yam food. But you back in the days now, Vice Cartel usually big up the same guy. But I just Alkaline are the man right now. Alkaline are look out for the G's them. So that's why that conversation here. You see me, because I think I see one video one time and like him link, but Cartel look like him never to, you know? Yeah. To big him up. Because you know Cartel I watch over and if him say, yo, man, Alkaline are link too much and way. You know them man they stay already. You see me? So at that Foota attack, I say, yo, you know see what I go on? The links that we usually have him not really have it again is a different man. Have the links. You see it? Yeah man, but you don't know Vaga just represent Alkaline. give him that strength there. When it comes musically, I make him a yama food. Years now, you understand?
Now, Vaga and Alkaline, you see, who have sense know what that mean. And Vaga and Alkaline, you see, you know what that mean. Don't talk to you about that. Who have sense, we understand what I say. Your time up. Your time up there, so brother. If something magical even happen and a link make back, it will never be the same. You get what I'm saying? So time to you calculate what really are going around it. That's why the bigger one, say if you suck out your mother, and I mean, bro. You respect your mother. You respect the mother, then I not got the mother part. You see me? So, that kind of rough part, you know. Can remember you have it say a year place that, you know. Gone. Gone. See, Alkaline gone hold after part there. And Gully God go shoot video and give him money over the next part. Where you there? Big on you know, brief boss.
Well, I saw it go, Remember say Alkaline sing one song and say, oh, if you say a theme place. Them paint out theme face. Remember people man say, yo, I want to go on no cartel now visit over Portmore. You see me, the place them where usually lock it. Not really lock it again, brother. A way after people are hear something and way. Why you think say him have to just move and go live a foreign? You see me, cause him knowing himself, remember him go for an interview and say, yo, Jamaica, him not safe. You understand? So him lose every links, every man a pre him right now. You see me, so him just have to just lift up and go where him have to do and do him thing. You understand? Yeah, so I just one of them thing the dog. You see it? But you don't know. People might see Alkaline and through Alkaline in the street, means nobody no rate him. You understand? Yeah, and Mr. Alkaline don't tell up on Sunfest stage already say, yo, look here. Yo, when I really do certain things in the music. You understand? Alkaline always protect him brand. Him not put violence with him brand and them thing there. He's a wise youth. You understand? Them monitors them do it smarter. You see me? Because at the end of the day, you're a celebrity superstar or what, you have to protect yourself. Because you don't know who are your enemy out there. You understand? Yeah, man, I just one of them thing there.
When you come home, if you remember the people, them, you remember them, now you want to remember them.
So, people, alright, Vice Cartel do a show yesterday in the UK, regular. Right? But what really go viral is the Sidem part. Where Sidem pregnant. That's how I tell people say, congrats by them youth. You see me? Because you don't know a youth is a blessing. But that's how I tell people say, you see when it comes to Vice Cartel, it's not about the music. It's a more about a reality thing, like a reality lifestyle and them little thing there. Because the only thing will go viral as I see them pregnant. And it been so like when him there road. If I know him man not nice fall out, him man shorty, him man this, it not have nothing to do with music. What him do, when a situation happen, him just put it in the music and I saw it go to that level there. You understand? Because I just this take the whole performance to him do. Plus him call a couple artists and every little thing. So that's why I try to show you. And actually in performance, are the pregnant thing. But look at now people. I see a thing a go on viral over TikTok. But you know what the problem? I feel like Gaza fans rate Alkaline. It kind of obvious now. I don't think Cartel career can just cruise without an Alkaline name called somehow. See? But as I always say, I know every Gaza people. You have the one them who have sense and just focus on the music, and you have the one them where out every day like a cheerleader. You understand? Yeah. But Vice Cartel announced say Sidem I go have a child. See? When you look, things start go viral. Vice Cartel come from prison and have a youth before Alkaline. I'm there, I'm ashamed, man. Same like when Vice Cartel first had the Freedom Street. Spice forward out. I talk about Alkaline, this Alkaline, that. just to get a viral moment. You understand? But people me soon tell you know what go on with Spice. Watch what go on. See, so these are the problem. You no feel like say if Alkaline have a youth, right? Remember, most of the time a baby mother thing bring down artists in the space, right? And first of all, if Alkaline have a youth, that youth you wanna show him life none at all. You feel like say you are gonna see him kids? No, be real. You no feel like say if Alkaline have a youth, you are gonna know that? If Alkaline no post, I remember this, Alkaline now go get no girl where them type of girl where loving media and forward out and do certain things, Them man they protective with them brand me G. This is not Vibes Cartel or certain other artists where them baby mother forward out and bring them home and diss them, Alkaline protect them brand, them no want none of them thing round them brand. You understand? But it's so funny. That's something I tell you, say the Gaza people them, some of them, so obsessed with Alkaline because one could just say, alright, Cartel have a youth with Sidem. But it just not sound good enough without you say Vice Cartel breed Sidem after him come from prison and Alkaline no breed nobody yet. Yeah man, at that me realize now. I go viral on TikTok. But I say you go still, you can't put an artist on a certain level without calling Alkaline name or compare. I saw me see it. You understand? And you tell you say the youth are dancehall me in danger. And that's why I'm singing that song there. You understand? Yeah, man. You see me? So look at now, people. Elephant Man pull down one cameraman on the stage. I don't know if Elephant Man want to get a viral moment or what, but I just feel like, bro, come on, me G. Some joke thing that, people. Some joke thing that. I don't know if him under him rum or what, but I say, yo, that's silly, bro. Okay, I can see the cameraman, him kind of look, him vex, like, but him just say, yo, and just put up him tone. But we don't see video still.
Elephant Man, you push down your cameraman and then you say him broke, he can't show you. So me want to know, look how much show you get for the overseas. Why you choose to push down a cameraman in a Jamaica? Why you never push down a cameraman overseas and tell them say he can't show you? Eh? And that's why we now go better as Jamaican and people now go treat we better. Because we always talk about white people and people racist and all of that. They now go treat you no better because then see how we treat one another. You push down your man a record you to show you your performance. And you push down your man, tell him say he can't show you because him broke. See, Elephant Man is not that guy because you can't find a hit song how long now. And you talk about so what if everybody's supposed to sue you right now? We sing over people's song to find one hit song. You know, build no song for yourself.
And the real thing is that, the man could have broke him, man, because you see the camera man a whole, and the camera they could have mashed up the, You understand? But the way of them hold it, and if you realize him hand could have broke. Me I show the people. If you don't see it there, so see, you have to look on the picture, but you not go see it. You understand? Him hand could have broke. You see me? But me I say, Elephant Man. I don't know, I guess he want to get a viral moment. But bro, some of the time I just overlook things, you see it?
What kind of superstar you say be? Superstar not behave like that.
Alright, see video now, people.
You broke your cat over your Foota, will you? Broke like that, what are we broke? Independent!
Brother, so me talk about, brother. Why, I don't know why the deg money, bro. I don't know what's wrong with them artists, brother. To be honest, I don't know if them just want to do things to get a viral moment, and I don't know, bro. John know you, but I don't know if I feel like it may be a perform and him not get the forward when forget and the cameraman did it so and him vex and him just, you see me? But him could have just tell the cameraman say, yo brother, just go one side and thing, you see me? Cause I guess I show would do it, but you never have to pull down the man. So a man could have broken at this, so the problem start. You understand? But we're gonna go, you see me? We're gonna make Marva tell you what go on.
Alkaline show Friday night, yes. Was a huge success. When that, I think there was other artists on the show, but nobody talks about them. Like, who they are again. The show was about Alkaline, not whoever performed before. One key man, again.
Yeah, man, a governor performance. But me see governor performance. I don't know. Governor, me da watch governor performance. But to be honest, I just a bugger. I understand say I try to introduce the song, but too much talking, me G. Too much talking. If you are go there, just go there for sing. But I be talking the governor though. You know that my honest opinion. If you no go watch about the clip with governor, I just start the man attack. You see me? Yeah, I just that. You see me? But you don't know Alkaline is the headliner. You know, Alkaline is not a regular artist, it's a superstar. So it's like people go always want to see him and go for see him. And enough people in Jamaica don't say Alkaline. You understand? It's a rare artist where people see, so it just gotta be something different. And it's a good choice Dreamy can make. Right choice for the artist. So kind of rebrand it in a mobile. You understand? Yeah, man.
Alkaline said, make waves, and some people make ripples. See vision, not obstacle. One key man, one golden child, one locksmith. He did it again. A rumble in the jungle. And shake up Jamaica. Dream weekend. The dream weekend was a weekend to remember. Everything was all about Alkaline, the key man, the locksmith, the golden.
Yo, one thing when Marva talk about fear artists, you know. Nobody no hyper than her, you know. Me I tell you that, you know. When it comes to Alkaline or artists, you know. NPT, you know. Yeah, man.
Chan, the stars of all stars, not a falling star, the stars that fall, the stars that shine above all. Demon, the eagle. He did it again. Uno fe compare when uno can't compete. Make it make sense? Uno for compare when uno can't compete. Nobody will no comparing to can't compete. That make no sense. The man make blood clad wave, not ripples. MC vision, not obstacle. One key man, one Alkaline, one everything, never two. Yes. The love and the love and love and love alone. Alkaline did it. Yes. NPT, he was right. NPT. No pussy. Test. He's the greatest. The youngest and the baddest. He's unstoppable. If you don't like him whatever you like, you do. So take a seat in the back of the weather. Yeah, when we cut people off, them get cut off. No reconciliation. Alkaline did it again. Dream weekend was all about Alkaline. It was all about Alkaline. Cause me don't know him in the ear and me not care for who do I perform before. The key man did what he came to do. He came and he see and he conquer and devour. He devoured Dream Weekend. Yes, it was all about him, guys. Who perform again? Let me know. I'm gonna go tweet about that. Bye. Debate about that. Bye.
Hey, Alkaline, a real champion boy, you know. The ramp with him. You see Alkaline? The ramp with Alkaline, man. A real champion boy. Like. Hey, you don't see Alkaline that deal with the show them from what day? Yo, the man that shell the show them, you know? From Antigua to our place in Guyana. And some rest of place in the Caribbean there. And yo, the man that deal with the show them wicked, yo. We see the man on Dream Weekend and me say the man that deal with the thing normal in a bridget. Yo, the man that deal with the thing one way. Yo, every show that you touch, me I tell us the man, the woman them just a sing choir so. Yo, right now Alkaline have to sing when I sang them when they go up on stage. You can't just sat up on the stage monitor and just make.
Yeah, man, a dancehall me in danger. You talk about, man. You talk. Remember Alkaline tell you say you don't see nothing yet, you know, and the man say everything will make sense soon, you know. You understand? I'll not see it. Right now, I top artist for the year right now. Alkaline. I just saw it go.
The woman then just work for him, just singing song them. Right now, that's how I see it go. Me I tell a man, me say, Alkaline, you're a real champion boy. Real champion boy. And it makes sense now. Everything I come clear, I come evident. Yeah, Alkaline only a profit too, you know. Alkaline a profit, man. Because I know things we see him prophesy in our music and then play out. Yeah, them prophecy there reveal and come and forward through. Yes, because in the sense soon everything I go make sense. And when me look now, me see everything I make sense to rotate. So when me see a guan, Yes, me see all man from over there, so. I found over here, so. And Alkaline, them a big up and all them things. They say, Alkaline, you're powerful, youth. You're powerful. You're powerful, man.
Yeah, man. That me I tell you is a brother we are see the future right now. Show them no know. That's what me hear them talk about, yo. Alka fall off from 2016, but we still a talk about him one to the rest of the dancehall artists them. Me no hear you say nothing. Alka in everybody mouth right now. You understand? Yeah. Them can't even eat a food. You see me? Yeah, man. So are the youth a do it. It no matter what them say, dog. Me I tell you, are the youth a do it. When the youth a go perform, it's like, you know, say, oh, he's a normal artist. The youth smart, him know him a do. You see me? Yeah, man, and him not clout out him thing. If I know music or stage, you see it?
Yeah, real champion, boy. Yeah, man, get the youth, him. What they call it flowers, well, they don't know. The woman, them a give him flowers now. They say the woman, them a give Alkaline him flowers. The woman, them a give Alkaline him flowers. And you say, I as a man, I give Alkaline ratings. I give Alkaline ratings. Make all of the woman, them give Alkaline him flowers. Because of that, the woman, them a do, them a give him flowers. Boy, I don't know. We are doing so much flowers, Alkaline. What you going to do with so much flowers, Rasta? You have to sell some of them hour. But you see, I as a man, so I give the Rasta ratings. You know say it? Yes, I. You know see it? Well, woman then go and give all life flowers them because they tell them I have the woman them head lock in a dance hall. Right, that's all. Shocking Morris said that.
Yeah, man, people, you don't know things that, you know, you don't know how one media facts pan up, you know. Yeah, man, big up everybody who respect, who show the respect over the years. You see me? Over the years. Over 1 year. Yeah, man, people, all road to 10K, me I tell you, we just reach 5K and we're going. As Alkaline say, yo, for me I put in the work, you have the formula. You understand? Yeah, man, we're there for entertain the people, them. You see me? Yeah, man, we're there for build the movement, build the brand. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, we not do the badness and them little thing. I think they're a joke thing. You see it? Yeah, man, we're there for educate the people them as well. You see, because enough hollow brain out here and we have to make them know and correct the narrative. You see, but I don't know how one media facts pan up and there's no other man. Yeah, man. And they better recognize that. You see it? Yeah, man, a mad thing. That is it.